We are connected. One another, everything to everything else. With SECO, we are even more. The client gets a coffee, and there you go. A machine learning application is activated, sending information from the edge to the cloud, analyzing numbers to design the best experience for the next customer. Nothing is left to chance. On the other end of the string, you, always in control, easy. Raw data becomes actionable insights right at your fingertips. Whether you're just getting a coffee or running a large corporation, SECO is always there for you.